Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk more about law of supply. We write law of supply mode. According to law of supply, with everything else equal, if price of a good or service increases, then quantity supplied of that good or service increases, and if price of a good or service decreases, then quantity supplied of that good or service decreases. If we express price with P and quantity supplied with QS, we can say with everything else equal, if price increases, then quantity supplied increases, and if price decreases, quantity supplied decreases. In functional form, quantity supply is a function of price with everything else equal, and the relationship between them is quantity supply here is proportional to price. Now, if you take an example in a table form, so here we have a table. Here we have price, and here we have quantity supplied. Say price is $10 for apples, again not the product but the fruit, and quantity supplied is say 12. Say price increases to 20, quantity supply increases to 18. P1 is price, and this price as P2, this quantity as QS1, and this quantity as QS2. Here this is known as supply schedule. Here we can have 2 points. The first point QS1 P1 will be equal to quantity is 12, quantity supplied, and price is 10. And the second point QS2 and T2 will be equal to 18, 20. Now, if we draw this point on a diagram, say here we have the y-axis, and here we have the x-axis. Say here we show quantity, it is O, and say here we show price. Price is, say this is 10 and this is 20, and quantity, say this is 12 and say this is 8. So this is 10, 20, 12 and 18. So the first point where quantity supplied is 12 and price is 10. Let us draw a horizontal line from 10 and a vertical line from 12. So this will be the point, this first point, and then draw another horizontal line from 20 and the vertical line from 18. This will be the second point. We draw a straight line which goes through both of these points. This upward sloping linear line is known as supply curve. We have just assumed that these 2 points will make a linear supply curve. Supply curves can be non-linear. We can also find out the functional form using this formula: P minus P1 divided by P1 minus P2 is equal to QS minus QS1 divided by QS1 minus QS2. So we can write down the prices: P minus 10, then 10 minus 20 is equal to qs minus 12 divided by 12 minus 18. So here we'll have p minus 10 divided by minus 10 is equal to qs minus 12 divided by minus 6. We can cancel these two negative signs, and then we can write 6 into p minus 10 will be equal to 10 into qs minus 12. From here we can write 60 minus 60 will be equal to 10 qs minus 120, and here we'll have 10 qs is equal to 120 minus 60 plus 6p, or we can write qs is equal to 6 plus 6 by 10. Here this equation is known as supply function. Now this plus sign here shows the proportional relationship or the positive relationship between price and quantity supplied. Note that we will always have 6 here and 6 by 10 here for different values of prices and quantity supplied. We'll have different values. The generalized linear, meaning straight line, supply function can be written as quantity supplied is a function of price, which is equal to C plus dP. Here D should be greater than 0, but C can be greater than 0, C can be less than 0, even C can be equal to 0. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.